Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have what you need: working internet, your email address, and the account password. Open Outlook and go straight to File, then Add Account. Type your full email address and press Connect. This begins automatic configuration. Once done, Outlook may prompt for your password or show an account type choice. Make sure to allow any permission prompts so Outlook can discover server settings automatically and create the profile for you. If automatic setup stops, you choose the account type: Exchange for work, IMAP for synced mail, POP for device-only copies. Enter incoming and outgoing server names, ports, and encryption. Typical ports: IMAP 993 SSL, SMTP 587 startles. Next, authenticate with your password or an app-specific password for MFA. Once done, make sure the username matches your full email. Outlook will test settings. You're nearly finished. Review which folders sync and set your default inbox. Create a signature, adjust notification and sync frequency, and configure calendar and contacts sync so everything appears in one place. Send a test message to yourself and verify receipt, plus check calendar entry syncing. If mail doesn't appear, make sure credentials are correct and retry. A common fix is toggling SSL/TLS or generating an app password for accounts with two-factor authentication. Try that before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.